All right, guys, we've got the JUCFHY pet feeding absorbent mat. This thing is 19 by 12. You can get it in different sizes, but I'm going to be straight up after getting this. I highly recommend it. We're going to put it down at the dog for the doggy, but first I want to show you. This thing is super easy to clean. It also absorbs water super fast. Come over here. Watch. I'm going to pour some water down. And it just disappears quickly. So nice and absorbent. It takes in water, milk, whatever it is, and then you can easily just wipe this clean. So you get hair and stuff on it, you can wipe it clean, but it's also easily rinsable and you can easily clean it with that. Now, let's show you it with all the dog food set above it. So as you can see, we've now got it set up for the little dude and he's already using it. This is what we were using before, just like a rag. First of all, this just looks better. Second of all, it's going to keep things cleaner, which, cleanliness is next to godliness.